Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 DIY lip scrubs and balms for soft and glowing lips. Having smooth and hydrated lips is essential for a healthy and beautiful smile. But sometimes, store-bought lip products can be expensive or contain harsh chemicals. That's why we've put together this list of easy-to-make lip care recipes using natural ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's dive into the top 5 DIY lip scrubs and balms. Honey and Sugar Lip Scrub. This scrub is perfect for exfoliating dry and chapped lips. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Gently massage the mixture onto your lips for a minute, then rinse off with warm water. Your lips will feel softer and smoother instantly. Coconut Oil and Brown Sugar Lip Scrub. This scrub is great for removing dead skin cells and moisturizing your lips. Mix 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Apply the mixture to your lips and gently scrub in circular motions for a minute. Rinse off with warm water. Cinnamon and Shea Butter Lip Balm. Cinnamon has natural plumping properties, while shea butter is deeply moisturizing. Melt 1 tablespoon of shea butter in a microwave-safe bowl. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix well and pour into a small container. Let it cool and solidify before using. Mint and Beeswax Lip Balm. Mint has a refreshing scent, while beeswax creates a protective barrier on your lips. Melt 1 tablespoon of beeswax in a double boiler. Then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and a few drops of peppermint essential oil. Pour the mixture into a small container and let it cool. Avocado and Honey Lip Mask. Avocado is rich in healthy fats that nourish your lips, while honey has antibacterial properties. Mash 1/4 of an avocado and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your lips and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. And there you have it, the top 5 DIY lip scrubs and balms for soft and glowing lips. We hope you found these recipes helpful and easy to follow. Let us know in the comments which one you're excited to try out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Before trying any of these DIY lip care recipes, please make sure to patch test on a small area of skin to check for any allergic reactions. If you experience any discomfort or irritation, please discontinue use. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional advice.